let's see what we have. So this soap, I mixed in the fragrance. You can see some little air gaps there. And it was fine, but I could see it was starting to thicken up. So I kind of got my embeds in, went to go pour the other half, and it was kind of chunky. Like racing, but not really racing. I tried to stick blend it, didn't do any good. So I just went with it. Now looking at the final soap, you don't really see any of the chunks, right? Like it's thickness. Like I wasn't really worried about it. I think it was just the soap getting thick. But I'm really hoping that with the gel, like you can't see or tell that it wasn't going as planned. So let's see. I was very frustrated. That teapot's a little far away, but you can't tell. Like there's no discernible difference in the texture or color or anything. So that's not fine. I love the teacups and teapot. I have wanted to make the teacups and teapots for a while now, like over a year, and there's just never been enough hours in the day, time in the year to do it. And this spring I was like, I'm doing teapots. I like that. I think it's pretty, like simple. I know it's just a straight yellow design, but I did that dark blue because I wanted it to pop in contrast, and I think it does. And then I have the flowers on top. You could not, actually I did have the yellows almost matching. Then I added the fragrance and the fragrance had a tad bit of a yellow hue to it, and it morphed the color. Like it's fine, it's pretty, it just made it slightly darker than the embeds, which is fine. I actually don't mind that there's a little bit of contrast. I think it makes the flowers stand out more, so that's probably good. But yeah, there you have it, my teacup and teapot. So this is the large with the big extruder disc, the 57. I also have small ones with the 23 and 24 millimeter, and those are listed on my webpage. So if you're interested in them, check them out.